Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about aldol condensation reactions. Aldol condensation. Name of the aldehyde, that is aldol condensation. Aldol. This means the aldehyde, and OH means the alcohol. Aldol condensation, that is the aldehyde and the alcohol condensation reactions. This is the aldol condensation reactions. Then we discuss about in this aldol condensation reaction. This aldol condensation reaction is the self, that is the self addition reactions. The self addition reaction. This is the self addition reaction of alpha hydrogen atom. Alpha hydrogen atom. This is the self addition reaction of alpha hydrogen atoms. Alpha hydrogen atoms. In these reactions, the alpha hydrogen atom reacted with the two molecules of alpha hydrogen reaction. At least alpha hydrogen atoms should be there, and the two alpha hydrogen atom aldehydes. The compound which contains alpha hydrogen atoms are reacted with the another molecule of alpha hydrogen atoms in presence of that is the sodium hydroxide or the potassium hydroxide. Then the formation of the aldol, the formation of aldol product, which on worms are heated to form the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So we discuss about these reactions, formation of alpha beta. The product of this reaction. This reaction is aldol reaction, which on worms with or heated, that is removal of water, then the formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. That is, we discuss about these reactions, that is the acetaldehyde. One example, acetaldehyde, CH3 C11OH plus, that is the another mole, CH3 C11OH dilute in presence of dilute NaOH or the KOH. This is the acetaldehyde. That is 2 moles of acetaldehyde reacted with the dilute NaOH or the KOH as a catalyst, and then the formation of the base, then the formation of CH3 CH, where OH, then CH2. This is the product of these reactions. Then this is the carbonyl carbon atom. This is the carbonyl carbon atom, and this position is the alpha hydrogen atom. The adjacent carbonyl carbon adjacent to the carbonyl carbon atom, this carbon atom is considered as the alpha hydrogen atom, and this carbon atom is considered as a alpha carbon atom, and these hydrogen atoms are the alpha hydrogen atom. This is the beta hydrogen atom, and this is the gamma hydrogen atom. And this position, that is in this compound, the alkyl group is, that is the hydroxy group or the alkyl group is present, and the aldehyde. That's why this compound is the aldol. Name of the compound is alpha beta, that is beta hydroxy butanol. 1 2 3 4 carbon atom, that is butanol or the 3 hydroxy compound, 1 2 and then 3 and 4, 3 position hydroxy group is present as well. 3 hydroxy butanol. Here in this case, first we, that is the formation of the anions, that is the formation of ions by abstracting of this base abstract the proton from this carbon atom, that is the alpha hydrogen atom, and this base attached to the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atoms, and then the formation of here hydroxy group, then formation of hydroxy group. After this formation of compound, when we heat this compound, that is removal of water molecule. Here 2 hydrogen atoms are present, here that is the hydroxy group is present. Then one of the hydrogen atoms, and then this OH group. After removal of this water molecule, that is CH, double bond CH, then C double bond, that is H. Alpha and beta hydroxy, that is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Name of the compound is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. And then name of the compound is number of carbon atom 1 2 3 4, that is mu, that 2 position E, that is 2 position alkene group is present, 2 and aldehyde group is present, that is AH. Name, that is the I place nomenclature of this compound, that alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this is the reactions of aldol condensation reaction. We discuss about the mechanism of the aldol condensation reactions. Mechanism of the aldol condensation reactions. Mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. There are 3 types, 3 steps. There are, that is 3 steps. 3 steps. First is the formation of inorganic ion. Formation of inorganic ion. enolate ion. In this case, first compound, that is this reaction having the two molecules of aldehyde, we use first molecule of aldehyde reacted with the hydroxy group, that is reacted with the hydroxy group, and this hydroxy group is coming from the NaOH. NaOH, that is Na plus and then OH minus. Then this is the base which can abstract this proton and formation of the enolate ion. Formation of enolate ion. This is the reversible reactions, and this is the reversible reaction C double bond OH. This is the formation of enolate ion. Enolate ion. Second step is the enolate ion. This enolate ion, second enolate ion attacks on the another aldehyde. That is, we have used 2 moles of aldehyde molecules. Attacks on the another aldehyde, where another aldehyde. Then this is the enolate ion. This is also the reversible reaction. This is the electron deficient. Carbon is the electron deficient, because here oxygen atom is the more electronegative. That's why it can attack the electron towards itself, and this becomes the electron deficient. And this nucleophile attacks on this carbon atom. Then the formation of here CH3, this is the CH, and this oxygen atom becomes the S negatively charged CH2, C double bond O and H. Here lone pair of two lone pair. Here two lone pair. Here two lone pair of oxygen atoms are present. Two lone pair, and two electrons are contributing the bond pair. So this is the formation of these ions. And then the negative oxygen atom, that is accept the proton. Negative oxygen atom accept proton from the water molecule. Step third, negative oxygen atom accept proton from water molecule, to form aldehyde. So this is the compound CH3 and CH, the positive charge CH compound, and then this is the CH2 C double bond H, same compound as it is. And this proton accepts the proton from the water molecule. This is the water molecule plus here water molecule here, and this is here hydroxy group, and this is the CS2, and the name of the compound is this is alpha carbon atom, this is beta carbon atom, beta hydroxy butanol, or 3 position, 1, 2 and 3 position, 3 hydroxy butanol. Which of bonds are equal? Here, removal of water molecule. Here, removal of, this is the water molecule and formation of alpha beta unsaturated, alpha beta. This is the alpha position adjacent to the carbonyl carbon atom, and this is the beta position, alpha beta unsaturated. Then earlier group is there, alpha beta unsaturated earlier. Or that is number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, butane, 2 position, that is alkene group is present, bu2, so this is the mechanism of the aldol condensation reactions. Alpha beta unsaturated, alpha and beta position, that is unsaturation is present, that's why alpha beta unsaturated earlier butane. So this is the first step is the formation of the enoletine. Here formation of enoletine, this was hydroxy group, this comes from base, that is the dilute NaOH group, and this can obstruct the proton and formation of the enoletine, then remove the, that is of water molecule. Second step is the enoletine attacks on the another aldehyde molecule. We have taken 2 moles of aldehyde. This is the another molecule of the aldehyde, and the aldehyde, this is the enoletine. This carbonyl carbon atom is electron deficient carbon atom. This nucleophile or enoletine attacks on this carbonyl carbon atom. Then the electrons are being applied to the oxygen atom, and the oxygen atom is completely charged. And here this negative charge oxygen atom, that is accept a proton from these water molecules, and here formation of hydroxy group. Here already CS2 is there, and here after the by accepting of proton, here formation of the hydroxy group at beta position. This is alpha and this is beta position, beta hydroxy butanol. Name of the compound is 3-hydroxy butanol. After heating or the warming of this compound of the product, this is the aldol compound. On warming of this compound or the heating of this compound, there the removal of water molecule, and there will be formation of the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. The isolation nomenclature of this compound is butane. So this is the mechanism of the aldol condensation reactions. Here we stop.